solve this series question again from the start. So we have here the number 11, 23, 48, 99, and we have to find this number and then 409. So let's apply our simple addition subtraction method. So let's see, 23 minus 11 is actually 12. 48 minus 23 is 8 minus 3 is 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So 25. This distance is 25. This distance is 12. This distance now, 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. This is 51. So what we see here, between 12 and 25, the distance is 13. Between 25 and 51, the distance is 26. So 25 plus 1 is the distance. So simply here we will add 51 plus 1, which is 52, to 51, and then add the resulting number here. 51 plus 52 is 5 plus 5, 51 plus 103. 103. So we add 103 here to 99 to get the next number. So 103 plus 99 is 202 is the next number. And now we can find if this is correct by finding this gap, and if this corresponds to the previous gaps, in the sequence. So here in 103 we should be adding, like we added here in 13, we added in 12 we added 13, 12 plus 1 13 to get 25. In 25 we added 25 plus 1 26, and then added to this number. Here we added 51 plus, in 51 we added 51 plus 1 52, and then so simply in 103 we will add 104. 104. So what we get? 207. And then the resulting number 207 we will add to our next number in the sequence, and you see we will get 409. So that's it. It was simple to solve this, So as we see, we are writing here a table. So let's see in this table, like we have first number is 11. In 11 we added 12 to get 23. And what was 12? 12 was actually 11 plus 1, which is 12, which was added to 11. So now we have 12. We here and we got 23. So first number is now 23. In 23 we will add this 12 plus 1, which is 13. No, sorry, not in 23. We will add in this difference, we will add this difference plus 1, which is 13. And now then we got 25, and we added 25 in this number, and we got 48. Now we have 48 here. So in 48 we will add this distance between these two numbers, which is 25 plus 1, because that's what we are doing. The distance between two numbers plus 1, which is 26. Okay, distance between two numbers plus 1, we add this to the distance 25, and we will get here 51. So 48 plus 51 is equal to 99. So in the next line we will add, for example, 51 plus 1, which is 52. So 51 plus 52 is 103. So we will add in 99 103. 103 to get 202. So simply next time we will add in this 103 plus 1, which is 104. So 103 plus 104 is 207. So in